Good morning, students. Today we will do map work. That is, we will mark rivers, water bodies, physical features, islands on the map of Asia, and this is your half-yearly syllabus. Now, on this map, at the top of the map, I've written already Asia rivers. So I'm going to mark the rivers on this map, and so I'll take the blue color to mark the rivers, and this is Tigris River. Rivers are already marked on the map. Just you have to highlight the river and name along the course of the river. As you can see, I have written here Euphrates and Tigris. Then river Indus, river Ganga, Brahmaputra, Wango River, also known as Yellow River because of the color of the silt it has. Shangjiang or Yangtze-Kiang. Sikyang. Now children, on this map I have marked water bodies. So I will use blue color to mark the water bodies. This is Red Sea between Asia and Africa. This is Caspian Sea. Persian Gulf. Gulf is a water body which is surrounded by land from three sides with a narrow mouth to the ocean or a sea. Then this is Arabian Sea. We will mark till the southernmost tip of Kanyakumari. This you will color completely and write in capital letters with black pen, Arabian Sea. Similarly here also, this is on the right hand side, eastern side of India, is Bay of Bengal till the point of Kanyakumari. We will mark Bay of Bengal. Then to the south of Kanyakumari, this water body is known as Indian Ocean. Color it completely, fine. Then this is South China Sea on the southern boundary of China, separated from Pacific Ocean by the island groups. As you can see, don't color on the island please. South China Sea. Yellow Sea, named after River Yellow because Yellow River falls in this sea. Then here this is found north to the south. This is your Pacific Ocean. I've written here in capital letter Pacific Ocean. You will color it properly. Pacific Ocean. Then this water body, because it is enclosed by the islands of Japan, so known as Japan Sea. Then this water body is known as Lake Baikal. Here, this is Arctic Ocean. Islands you will not color. Arctic Ocean. This map is of physical features, so mountains will be colored by brown color. Urals forms the natural boundary between Europe and Asia. Himalayas, which forms the curved arc, on the northern boundary of India. It separates India from rest of Asia. Then we'll take green color to mark the plains, Mesopotamian plains, also known as Tigris-Euphrates plains, as formed by river Tigris and Euphrates. This is along the river Indus, so Indus plain. Formed by Ganga and its tributaries. This is Ganga plain. Here is Brahmaputra plain, together known as Ganga Brahmaputra plains. Then these plains are on the eastern side of China, so known as Great Eastern Plains or Great China Plains. Then children, the plateau, we will use yellow color to mark the plateau. Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape. Then orange color we will use to mark the desert region. We will use orange color here to mark the desert. Although this is plateau also, Arabian Plateau or Arabian Desert. Children, on this map I have marked the islands of Asia. So you can choose any color of your choice to mark the island groups. Like I have taken yellow color to mark the Philippines. So these islands together, where I am marking yellow color, they all together forms the Philippines. Then red color I have taken for marking the Indonesia. Sumatra Island of Indonesia. Borneo Island of Indonesia. You will not color this white portion which I have not already colored. because this is a part of Malaysia known as East Malaysia. Sumatra Island, Sulawesi Island is already marked on the map, so you just have to color it properly. These islands, they are known as Indonesia together. For Java, you can use, for Taiwan, you can use any color here of your choice. Then for Japan, I'm using purple color. These islands together, they form Japan. Color inside the islands. Right now, this black line encircling all the islands of Indonesia and the Philippines, together known as Malaya Archipelago. Now children, this blank map is there so that you can get the photocopy of this blank map and complete your map up on this. You should have at least 10 photocopies to complete this map work and for the practice also. Thank you children.